Across the state, Utah has 23 waterfowl management areas providing important habitat for waterbound birds like duck and geese.
In the waterfowl management areas, our primary focus is waterfowl production during these summer months. And outside of that, we also want to provide recreational opportunities like hunting.
So, out here at the Farmington Bay WMA, each summer a USU intern helps out with any work needed, like, for instance, goose nesting boxes.
Geese are very lazy nest builders. They kind of just build their nest wherever. And we want to bring up our goose population. So in order to do that, we want to give them a place, a safe area where they can build their nests and hopefully be successful broods in the springtime.
They also help to round up and count the geese around the area to get an idea of the overall populations.
So we monitor populations through the hunt and also by finding out how many juveniles were born in a waterfowl management area that year. And all of that data is uploaded to a federal database that is then also used to track things like migration, population increase, population decrease.
Now, the work that the interns do isn't all with the birds, but it sure is all for the birds.
They help us do a lot of the stuff that we might not be able to get to. We do a big phragmites treatment to help us with our diagline spraying for noxious weeds to provide that habitat for waterfowl.
And the hope is that while helping support this crucial habitat, the interns can gain some important skills and experience along the way.
I want to be a CO, which is a conservation officer. And this internship is the best way to kind of just get your feet in the water, start learning more about, different ecosystems and how that all runs, what birds need to be protected, how they need to be protected.
This is a great position, and it's a great way to gain a lot of skills. It's a wonderful resume builder, and it makes all the difference when you're back up at school as well. It gives you a lot of knowledge that's very, very helpful for in the classroom, for networking, for getting into labs, and just overall continuing your career in wildlife.